Hi everybody and welcome back. This is Kim and this channel was formerly known Be Happy Crochet, but I'm going to combine my love of art and crochet. So this channel will now feature beautiful things such as watercolors, loose watercolors, an illustration, and also my beautiful, fabulous, unique needle crochet, which is done with a yarn needle. If you've watched any of my videos, you know what I'm talking about. I will be doing tutorials on that, or you could just follow me along. Also, I will be including loose floral, beautiful illustration with watercolors. This is my newly refinished studio. My house recently got beautiful new floors, as you can see. If you've ever seen my videos of featuring my studio, let's walk around. So clean in here, I love it. So welcome back. If you're new, please hit subscribe. I love to hear from you. Leave me a comment if you've ever watched any of my videos before. I know it's been a long time. I've been redoing so many things in this home, so I've been away, but now I'm back. And my new channel name is going to be Art and Crochet by Kim. And anything that you see occasionally, I will say it's for sale. I sell exclusively at this time on the Mercari Marketplace, where you also see the same name, Art and Crochet by Kim. Beautiful fine art and crochet for home decor and gifts. So I hope you will be joining me here. I will be doing either weekly or bi-weekly videos. So make sure you have your notification bell pressed so you know when the video is ready to go. Thank you so much for joining me and have a great day. Okay, hey, I'm in my secondary studio where I do actually all my processes, painting, crocheting. As you can see here, I have my setup. I'm all set up with my pan Mungyo paints. I have my brushes ready to go, my little table. I sit in my little bed. I'm super cozy. I'm going to be using today for some warm-ups and maybe a quick little paintings. You can see the brand here, Artist Touch. I bought this cold press watercolor paper, Hobby Lobby. I actually like a lot of Hobby Lobby supplies. They're really nice. These are also Hobby Lobby brand round brushes in a few different sizes. They are this brand here, Fine Touch. And I just loosened up this paint with this spray bottle of water here. Have my coffee, a few brush pens, water-based brush pens, and other supplies. Thought you'd like to see that process. And I have YouTube pulled up here. I pull up a few of my favorite artists. Today I might be looking at Emily Winslow art. She has some great tutorials, so if you're interested in some nice, easy to do, follow along tutorials, she does a lot of beautiful watercolors and painting. Check her out. Just a suggestion. All right, I will show you what I've come up with later for warm-ups or a little painting, and I will tag who I have followed, or I might just do something of my own. All right, let's get. Okay, I did decide to follow Emily Winslow's fall idea. She's doing a 3-part series. If you want to check her out for fall, I'm working on the sketch. I have that cold press watercolor paper from Fine Touch from Hobby Lobby. As you can see, I also like to size this out when it's done. This is a 9x12 paper pad, but when it's finished, it can fit into an 8x10 mat, so you can frame it really nicely if that's what you want to do with your artwork. I always like to do that. Okay, I'll show you the tutorial. So far, we're working on the middle section. It's going to have 7 little illustrations here. This is the center. All right, and that's where she is right now. We're getting ready to do the paint, so I will show you some of the techniques if I'm able to get that into this video, or the finished product. It is a 3-part series. Check her out at Emily Winslow Art. She's right there on YouTube. She's got a really nice channel, so check her out. She does great work, and I think you will love it. All right, I'll show you my progress. Okay, the fun tutorial is all finished. As you can see, a delicious pumpkin pie with whipped cream, some fall trees, pumpkin spice latte, a cozy warm home, glowing candle, bushel of fall foliage, and 2 pumpkins. Be sure to check out Emily Winslow at Emily Winslow Art. She does great art, and hope to see you on the next video here on Art and Crochet with Kim. See you next time. Also update, this mat actually fits an 11 by 14 frame. The opening is an 8 by 10. I think I might have confused it with this one here, which is an opening of a 5 by 7. It fits an 8 by 10 frame, which is also helpful. So, have a great fall and have a great day. Bye for now.